Hey guys, welcome back. Justin here again. Today we're going to do a bit of a recap video on the April Mid-Ohio Valley Cars and Coffee. First off, if you guys decided to attend that event, I just want to say thank you for taking your time to come out and hang out with us for a little bit. That was one of the bigger ones we've had in a while. At the end of last year it kind of started tapering off, so especially this past winter I've put a lot of extra legwork into trying to promote the event a little bit more and try and get some more people out to it. So again, thank you for showing up and kind of helping us make a little better showing. That being said, I mean, I felt like it was a really successful event. We had probably about 40 cars that showed up to that. We had people coming in from Morgantown, St. Clairsville. I think the winner of the long haul was from Medina. We had people from down around Spencer and just kind of generally all over the place. So that was really cool to see a lot of people kind of traveling in to see what we had going on. So I think at this point it's probably time to cut to some of the video, and if I didn't catch your video, Luke, you in particular, I'm very sorry I missed your car. It's a very nice car if you guys haven't seen it. But yeah, I thought I got video of the car and missed it, and also on top of that I did kind of a noob mistake. And I forgot to charge my camera the night before, so you're going to see a lot of stitched together video. So I apologize for that also. But without further ado, here's a quick little walk around of the parking lot for the April Mid-Ohio Valley Cars and Coffee. After this, we'll probably cut the video at the end of the walk around, so we'll see you guys again at the next one. Hey, thanks. Bye.
So I never got why Miatas are so popular for ride-alongs with you.
No, all I can figure is depression rates in America right now are at an all-time high, and like Shane's Miata is your most surefire way of dying. It's your best bet. So if you have no interest in living anymore, this is where it's at.
Yeah. Beyond that, hooray for being antisocial with cameras, right?
That too.
Yeah.
Yeah.